Hi my country people, how una dey? Today tori no sweet belle at all sake of say we dey follow Nollywood mourn the death of one of their popular actor for Yoruba movie, Murphy Afolabi. Na May 14th, 2023, we hear say Murphy fall down for im bathroom, take head knack ground. Dem rush am go hospital, but na for hospital doctor confirm say Murphy don kpai at the age of 49 years. Wetin come happen after im die?
Murphy Afolabi, such a wicked boss. This is Murphy.
Na few days ago, dem do 8-day fidal prayer for the late actor for Lagos. As the Islamic clerics dey conduct the program for the event, na so dis woman waka with full confidence go meet the alfas, begin dey narrate the business deal wey im get with the late actor. The woman talk say the money wey Murphy suppose pay am from the business wey dem do together na 1.4 million naira. Wey death no gree Murphy pay.
1.4 million, 1.4 million naira owó ṣẹ́yìn wà lọ́wọ́ Murphy kí ni ká wá ṣe báyìí. Àwọn kọ́mítì gbèsè lórí ẹ̀ láti gba owó yín padà. Àti ẹ̀ tí Murphy jẹ́ gbèsè nù.
When they ask the woman how she go manage get her money, she say dem don already set up committee wey go help collect the money from Murphy family, even as she no disclose the kind business wey she do with Murphy. The kind courage wey the woman display for that kind solemn moment show say she get determination. As the news of Murphy Afolabi death dey spread, na so the woman matter too dey follow join am for different social media, wey come make busybody dem dey wonder how the set-up committee go take recover the money wey the woman claim. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.